Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys enjoying your day. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you enlarge your text size on iPhone. So at first, just go to your settings. Now just scroll here and go to Control Center. Now just scroll here again and select text size. Now you can just select it from here and you can just increase your text size like this. Here you can select your text size for settings only, or you can also select your text size for all apps like this. Now here you can see my text size are way bigger than before. So guys, that's how you can enlarge text size for iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.